Let me show you how to set up Flowguard and run your first automated test. It only takes a few minutes. Alright, so we're in the WordPress dashboard. Head over to Plugins, click Add New, and upload the Flowguard zip file. Once it's activated, you'll notice Flowguard showing up right here in your sidebar. The first time you open Flowguard, it walks you through a quick setup. This is just a short overview of what Flowguard can do. Let's move on. Now this part is important. Test mode is enabled by default, and you'll want to keep it that way. It makes sure that when you run tests, no real emails go out, no real orders get created, and your database stays clean. Just leave it on. Last step, add your email address for failure alerts, and that's the setup done. This is your dashboard. Once you have a few tests running, you'll see your stats right here. But for now, it's empty. So let's change that and create our first flow. First, let's give this flow a name. I'll call it Homepage Health Check. And now the fun part. I'm going to hit record. See how the border turned red? That means Flowguard is watching. Everything I do in the preview now gets turned into a test step automatically. So let me load my homepage here. Now I'll just click around like a normal visitor would. Let me click on this menu item. And then the logo to go back home. If you look at the left panel, Flowguard has already created 2 steps for me. Pretty nice. Let me stop the recording. The last thing I want to add is a verification step. I want to make sure my site title is actually showing up on the page. So I'll click Add Step and then check. Now I'll use Pick Element and just click on the title in the preview. Flowguard grabbed the right selector for me, and the assertion is already set to Is Visible. That's exactly what we want. Alright, let's save this and see if it works. And now, the moment of truth. Let's run it. What's happening right now is that Flowguard is opening a real browser in the background. It's following every single step we just created, clicking the same elements and checking our assertion. And there we go. All steps passed. Our homepage is working just fine. So what actually happened here? Flowguard launched a real browser, visited your site exactly the way a real visitor would, clicked through your pages, and verified that everything is showing up correctly. Fully automated, no manual clicking required. And that's your first test done. In the next video, we'll do something more practical and test a full contact form submission. I'll see you there.